How to fix Facebook account suspended 180 days left to appeal. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box type in Facebook support and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one, Help Center. You will be directed to this page. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Facebook disabled and then search for it. Now navigate to the very first one option, my personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. Now here you're gonna find all the details about why your account is suspended or disabled. Scroll all the way down, click on the option No. What went wrong? Select the option the solution does not work. Now here you have to describe in detail about the issue. Mention that you haven't violated any rules and regulations of Facebook, but it has been suspended. Request Facebook support team to enable your account as soon as possible. Once you have mentioned all the details, you can submit it. Make sure to enter the email address that you have access of, as Facebook support team will get back to you through the email address that you have provided. Likewise, next method is you can hit back. Now head over to the website Facebook feedback. Now you'll need to fill these. Firstly, type in your email address, then select login as a product or feature. And over here, again mention the same details that your Facebook account has been suspended or disabled even though you haven't violated any terms and conditions of Facebook, and you can send it. Facebook support team will consider your request and get back to you within few hours or few days. Until then, you'll need to wait. So these are the methods to fix your Facebook account disabled and 180 days left to appeal. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.